Hey guys, welcome to the MGM Grand King room tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll go ahead and put the price up on the screen. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, $325. 302. Okay. All right, we are here. Let me turn on some lights and get this room tour started. Turned on all the lights this time because sometimes I forget. Still not bright. Here's the restroom. We'll do that later. As soon as you walk in, you've got a little hallway with the closet. Oh, the closet has a light. That's nice. That's different. You've got your full-length mirror. You guys know I love a mirror. Here's a view of the room. Here's a quick view of the room. A little old, but like nice. Like it's like that old, nice style. Like when you go to your rich or your wealthy grandparents' house, you know, and they've got the dark wood everywhere. That's the vibes it's giving me. There's the nightstand. What is that? A little clock, radio. That's cute. Nice drawers. Here's the bed. Here is your, ooh, you've got a little pack. Let's see what's in there. Okay, you've got your hand sanitizer. This is really nice. I haven't had one this big in any of these rooms yet. And a bunch of masks and a little pouch. Cool. You know they've got the clean remote. What's up, guys? Okay. Dear value customer, value guest, welcome and thank you for choosing MGM Grand. On behalf of the entire team, we are thrilled to have you as a guest. And then it's going over the well-being, the convenience. If you guys want to know about that, go ahead and pause right there. The in-room dining option has not been an option for a while at most of the hotels that I've been staying at, you know, due to COVID. So it's nice to see that they do this. And I'll show you guys the menu, a little quick view. We've got the door placer thingy, your desk. That's a couch. It's not a pull-out, but I mean, if you're gonna have, oh, ew, ew. Okay, it is a pull-out, my bad. We've got perfume under there. We've got a sock under there. What the heck? Can I find some money under here? Okay, well, I don't know. Anyway, let's act like we didn't see that. Okay, guys, so I really wasn't worried about that because I wasn't sleeping on that couch. My kids are not here. Matter of fact, I didn't even sit on the couch, so it is what it is. Here, this is like the lounge area. There's the window. I'll show you guys the view in a minute. And then here is this side of the room. We've got kind of a small little TV, but the TV stand is pretty cute. Okay. I hate a mini bar, guys. I thought it was a fridge. I was actually gonna be happy because I brought some drinks with me, some water and some Gatorade, and I saw this on the picture and I thought it was a fridge. So that's what I get for not reading, but it's good that I'm doing these reviews for you guys because now you know. Okay, we've got the TV travel kit. I have no idea what that is, and it doesn't have the price. This mini bar is good. The Cromwell did not have prices. So at least we know prices, and look at the price. You want a Coors Light? $11. But, oh, please see TV for pricing. They don't have no smart waters up here. Okay. All right, it is what it is, right? Okay, here's the TV, the drawers. My kids would really appreciate this because every time we come to a room, the first thing they do is hook up their gaming systems. And what hotel was that we were at the Planet Hollywood? It took them a long time. It was really hard because the TV was mounted up on the wall. You've got this, your little tray. Okay, let's go. Well, before we look at the view, let's check out the bathroom. Okay. Not too bad, right? Got some extra towels. Ooh, I love when they have one of these. What's up, guys? Okay. I love this mirror. I want this mirror for my house. All these hotel rooms are doing is giving me ideas of what I need for my house. Okay, here's the shower. Let's do a peek. Not so bad, not so bad. There's your little essentials. And then you've got the toilet. Okay, let's go check out the view. You guys know what? I really like this room. I really do. Okay, I did not pay for a view for this hotel. This was kind of like an impromptu visit. We had family come out here and they're staying here, so we're like, let's just stay here. Oh, so there's a blackout shade that I was pulling. See it? And it's coming down. But I don't want that. So let me lift it back up. And this one, I guess you do over here. Yeah. Okay, okay. Where are we looking at? We are looking at the back of the hotel. There we go, MGM Copperfield. I bet you in the daytime this actually looks pretty cool. There's the Oyo. You guys want to see it in the dark? Let me turn the lights off. Okay. The window is a little bit dirty, and it's dirty from the inside, which is kind of weird, but okay. All right, so here's the view. Let me go on this side. Okay, so here's our view. Like I said, it's the back. You're looking at the Oyo. You're looking at that. This is Tropicana. You're looking at the big MGM Grand David Copperfield. And that, whatever that is, I guess I'll show you guys in the daytime because I can't tell. My eyes are really, really bad. I don't know, is that a restaurant? Is that, I don't know what that is. Okay, so here's the daytime view. And what that is the entryway where you drive in. At night, I couldn't tell. My eyesight's really bad anyway. That's where you drive in, like the cover, the valet. And then that's the entrance right there where you walk in. And then over there is like the check-in. And right here, you see the monorail. I'm pretty sure it's not running, but not positive. And then what else can we see? Just everything, the Oyo, the mountains. It's not a very clear day today. It's a cloudy day. It's not one of these pretty, I wish I could have showed you guys the view with like a really pretty clear sunny day. Oh, and look, there's the airport. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I like the big window. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about the MGM down below. I like it. It's a chill vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna take a shower. Well, I was, but the water doesn't drain. Okay, so it's the next day, obviously, and I'm interrupting that nice PG review to let you guys know what I really think. I'm gonna still play it so you can see how I felt last night even though I found, you know, the socks and the dirt, and there were some other couple dirty little things in the room, again, I wasn't complaining. I didn't give the hotel a chance to fix it. So why would I complain, right? I wasn't sitting on the couch, which I still haven't. So whatever, it is what it is. But then the drain doesn't work, right? It's almost checkout time, so why would I complain about that now? It's just kind of had to deal with it. And then it's 10:30 right now while I'm filming this. I called at 9:30 and asked for a late checkout. She said 12 o'clock complimentary, and then $20 for the first hour or 30 for 3. I said, okay, I'm gonna do 12 for now, and I'll let you know if I want to extend it. Tell me why. At 10 o'clock, a man knocked on the door. I'm in the bed. I was actually editing this video, about to post my nice happy review. I'm in the bed. A man knocks on the door. I'm like, oh, my husband, because he's down in the casino per usual. I'm like, oh, he must have lost his key. So I jump up. By the time I get to the door, the man is already in the room. I was fully clothed, but I mean, what if I wasn't? And he's like, oh, sorry. Okay, you didn't know. Fine, okay. I hop in the shower. I hear a knock. First of all, the shower is right by the fucking door, okay? I hear a knock, and I'm like, it's not my husband. It has to be the room people. The door was open, so I can hear everything. I hear the door open. I hear a lady's voice say, oh, I was just checking the room. Guys, I am pissed. Now I stay in room all the time. This is not, I don't give a fuck. This is not normal. I've had them come in the door before, but it was maybe because I took too long or, you know, something. And I know I don't have the sign on the door. So the first guy, not your fault, I guess. The lady, bitch, you hurt me in the shower. Why are you in my room? Yeah, okay. I like it. It's really cool. The check-in process, simple. They've got enough elevators. Maybe not like the Planet Hollywood. They've got it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at my Planet Hollywood review. They need more elevators. They've got enough elevators. I didn't see any problems. I was about to valet park. That was what was really weird, and I didn't ask anybody. I pulled up to the valet, and nobody came. So I was just kind of sitting there, and I'm looking around, and I'm like, okay, I don't really see anything going on. So I'm like, girl, get your bougie ass in that parking garage and walk. So that's what I did, and it wasn't bad. I found a park pretty soon, and then I had to walk, but it wasn't crazy like Miracle Mile shops or anything like that. Again, check-in process smooth. Came right up to the room. No complaints. No complaints so far. Like I said, this was not planned. We had family here, so I'm like, you know what, let me just do a room tour. Let me just come down there, and that's what I did. And I'm here now because I'm always thinking of you. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep doing room tours for you guys as well as my normal family content. And thank you guys. Turn that bell on for the next one.